All right, so we are going to set up what is called your brand assets in Designs. So what this does is makes it just quicker for you when you're creating marketing materials in Command, whether for social media or print marketing. It gives you options for all of the logos and different things like that that you might use frequently. So on the left side, we're going to go to the paintbrush icon, which is Designs. And we're going to need to click Create Design in the top right to get into the Designs editor where we can create your brand kit. So I'm just going to choose social. You'll choose either social or print, and that will take you where we need to go. So in the top left, you're going to click where it says Assets. So in here, there's quite a few things that you can do. You can set this color palette to, by default, show you like the most common colors that you like to use. So I, made mine a lot of the KW colors. So that's something you can do over here, and you can create a new color palette. So you can have multiples, and you just click the little plus signs to add more colors, or to change any of the existing ones, you just click on them and you can change the colors. You can also upload fonts if you want to. So that's something where if you are interested in that and you do like, very specific fonts that you utilize, then you're able to upload those. If that's not something that is anything that you're interested in, just skip over this section. So on the left, you go down to images. This is where you'll see your headshot by default show up here from your marketing profile, but you can also upload any other images. So maybe you have multiple versions of your picture that you like to use. You can upload those from your computer here. Or say you have other images that maybe you use frequently for your branding. Maybe there's like a couple different local photos or something else that you like to use on specific marketing materials. You could upload that here, and it just gives you like quicker access to it instead of having to upload it from your computer every time you want to and like searching for it. It will show up just right in Designs under your images. Then continuing on the left, text. So here you can create fields that you're able to utilize often. So if frequently you use a certain text box or something like that, then so here you can put in text that you use frequently. So yours will have some default things from your marketing profile. You can also create new fields over here and add different ones. And if none of those apply that are in the list, you can just click new text. So like I created one for the office disclaimer right here. There is already one in Designs, but it doesn't say each Keller Williams office. It just says each office. So I created one that says Keller Williams in it. So anything else that you use frequently, you can create fields for. And what this allows you to do is literally just click on these things and they'll appear on your design. So the idea is you're constantly making things just easier and more efficient so that you can come in and you can create a design in just a couple minutes. And then you'll continue on the left to logos. So here, typically you'll just see the one from your marketing profile in here, but you can actually upload all of the versions of our logo here. So these are something that I always email to you when you join. If you need copies of them, feel free to just ask anybody on the staff. We can email them to you. But you should already have them on your computer, and you can just use this upload button in the top right to upload them in here. So the ones I send are always the PNG, so they're transparent. That way you can use them on any marketing material and they won't have like the white background or something like that. So there's 6 versions, and so you'll see all of them here. Some of them are harder to see when they have the white, but that just means when you put it on top of anything that's not white, you're gonna see it really bright. So you can add all those in there, and then that way you don't have to go search for those each time you're creating something. You can easily just swap it out with the template logo on there, and you'll have our logo on there. And so then those are the most important sections on here. There's other ones as well. Elements are just like there's little icons or something like that that you utilize often. You can upload those here. And right now there's not much that we can do with like the videos and files as far as in the designs editor, but I think that will come. So I'll just focus on those first few options that we talked about. And then once you have done that, then you're set up for success for creating all kinds of awesome designs.